ជំរាបសួរចា៎ក៏ដូចជាសួស្តីពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងសិស្សនិស្សិតខ្ញុំឈ្មោះរឿនមកសែខ្ញុំចូលមកនេះគឺចង់បង្ហាញពីអត្ថន័យក៏ដូចជាការប្រើប្រាស់នៅពាក្យណនិងមិនមែនណទេនៅក្នុងslide ដែលខ្ញុំបានធ្វើក្នុងបទបង្ហាញនេះហើយប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញពីបទបង្ហាញហ្នឹងជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសដល់សិស្សនិស្សិតក៏ដូចជាបុគ្គលមួយចំនួនជាអនិកជនឬក៏ជនបរទេសដែលគាត់ចង់រៀននៅភាសាខ្មែរតែគាត់អត់ដឹងថារបៀបនៃការរៀនហ្នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចទេហើយគាត់ចង់ដឹងពាក្យហ្នឹងវាមានអត្ថន័យយ៉ាងម៉េចអញ្ចឹងណាអឺ first of this time I would like to respect to all of you that want to learn Khmer languages and I will try to speak in English and uh, sorry for and I have the mistake from my speaking អឺការប្រើអក្សរណមិនមែនណូទេបានន័យថាចំពោះកន្លែងហ្នឹង if you must to use the word by no different no for this line you must to uh, like to spelling with the word no but you don't spelling this word with the word no for this way for this way is the word that have in disanary syntax not and this way is the word that uh, don't have in dictionary syntax not and this way is don't have another people they don't use because this word is not uh, a, a real word for all of you to learn and to complete or to put in your sentence or your work too. Uh, First, I want to uh, tell you about the meaning of the word. This word in dictionary of sometimes Sanskrit Chunat. The word likeកំណត់ in Khmer is meaning in English is like uh, everything that uh, everything that you don't know before and we have grow or something else like I was born in 1982 or like this the wordកំណត់ the meaning of កំណត់ is uh, show about everything about thing that uh, thing that thing that like the eye uh, uh, first the eye is put a lot of something to make the eye is strong and something like the meaning the eye is connect to the word cannot uh, down the down one is the word cannot 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 the meaning of the word cannot meaning of the word is that talk about uh, someone they sing or they put this put some put like put uh, put something that they want to have they want like they want to have a, a to finish in grade 12, or they want to get the scholarship from another school or from someone else, they must to put deadline or calendar or something to make them good in education, to make them a good well or pass or success. That is the meaning of the word come not. The word like the word come not. This word is the wrong word in in the scenery of vagina of sometimes Korean channel. This word is have the meaning of in the scenery of sometimes Korean channel. Uh, the word cannot. The meaning of this word is talk about um, like everything that uh, have a long time in the uh, another place or in the ground or in the place that another people don't know, and like they find it in the place that another people uh, don't know or don't like never see or never never have in their village or in their life too. This is the meaning of the word "communal". For the word, the meaning of the word "communal" is show about uh, when your car can when your car have a problem in the somewhere some place like the in the road that uh, in the road that like in when they go into the mountain they was to put the ball or the store to to stop actual of the cars, and the meaning of this word is all of this word is that's all, and in this row is talk about everything or the word that have in dictionary of something something do not you must to know, and you must to know clearly. If you want to know this word you must to find this word in dictionary of something great to not, and uh, I want to make you understand and make you to know this word, uh, and I would like you, I hope you to use the word in the good way, and you must to know clearly about this word. And one more thing, I would like you to when you want to find this word, you want to know this word wrong or right, you must to uh, put this word into dictionary of functional of sometimes creature. You must to know clearly about this word, because when you don't know this word wrong or right, you must when you don't put this word into the dictionary of sometimes creature, you must to don't know clearly about this word. And uh, for me is the end of this presentation. I would like to say thank you for your support, for your watching, and uh, for your pay attention to my presentation. And I would like to say thank you so much. And at the end of this, I would like to um, now I would like you to like and subscribe and share my channel YouTube, and when you do like this is you can have more lesson or more education from me in my YouTube too. Thank you.